and then AI on Kubernetes. So yeah, we gave away I think 400 books the past couple.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mumshad, for joining at KubeCon. This is my first KubeCon. Excited to be seeing you here, and have been trained to KodeKloud since I was in AWS. Now I'm in improving, and they are asking me to become CKA certified and other things, and that's where I get to learn about you. Maybe for the viewers, you can introduce yourself along with what KodeKloud is all about.
Yeah, absolutely. Hi, so my name is Mumshad Mannambeth. I am the founder of KodeKloud. We are an education platform. We help people get certified in Kubernetes, learn the basics and foundations, and build strong foundations, and then eventually get certified on Kubernetes and 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤 and the golden 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤. And now we're helping people upskill into the AI world as well. So yeah.
Yeah, so like talking about KodeKloud, because I've been a user of it, talking about the labs you guys have, maybe as a new starter, as a college graduate, what they have to learn about Kubernetes, how they should get started, maybe kind of a tip and trick for them.
Yeah, so the Kubernetes beginner level courses are all built for people who are absolute beginners. But of course, if you are like coming from college, you probably want to have some container foundations. And to get container foundations, you probably want to have Linux foundations. So starting with Linux and containers and then Kubernetes, that's probably the right track. And of course, your networking fundamentals and security fundamentals, I mean, these are things that you can add on as we go. So yeah, that would be the ideal path that I would recommend.
Awesome, and I do see a lot of giveaways KodeKloud was giving. Am I getting a free book from you now?
Yeah, absolutely. We gave away, we put together a book around AI and Kubernetes because that's been the trend recently. If you look at the keynote, one of the things that were presented was the amount of workload that's running on Kubernetes for AI inferencing and model training, and how it's changed over the past few years. So we are, the book is all about that. The book teaches the beginner level Kubernetes, and then AI, and then AI on Kubernetes. So yeah, we gave away I think 400 books the past couple of days. If we have something left, absolutely get it.
Awesome, that's nice meeting you, Mumshad. Thank you so much for your time, and catch you up in the next KubeCon or KCD. I'm just new to CNCF community and hoping to see you again on the videos. Thank you for that. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much for having me.